everyone, this is Chandni here and we have a very renowned personality with us. Welcome sir, may I know your good name and your company name please?
Chandni, I am Sunil Sachdeva from International Glazing Technologies.
Wonderful sir. So, we would like to begin with asking you this very important question, that what are the latest trends of Indian fenestration industry and what is your contribution for the same?
Well, Chandni, the Indian fenestration industry, as I have seen it over the last 2 decades, has been ever evolving and growing. And in the last 1 decade, it is growing at a very, very rapid pace, adapting the latest technologies from all across the globe. To talk specifically about the latest trends in the fenestration industry, as I have seen it grow from very basic, simple windows, the trend is now moving towards, there's a buzzword in the industry called slimline or minimalistic. So everything is moving from regular bulky sections to slimmer minimalistic sections. And the other important trend that I see and experience is that the customers are now demanding very, very high quality hardwares. So to my mind, these are the two important visible trends in the industry. And as far as our contribution as a part of the industry is that yes, we are offering some of the best global solutions to our customers. That has always been the endeavor, that we try and bring home to the table some of the best technologies, the latest trends. When our customers, the Indians, they travel abroad, they travel to Europe or the US or to other countries, they stay in hotels, they see some very beautiful windows and hardwares. They come back, they expect to use those for their homes particularly or for their projects. So our endeavor is to bring those solutions to them on the table. That's it.
Thank you so much sir for sharing your ideas with us. Now we would like to know, how has your journey and experience been like working with our brand LGF Sysmac?
Chandni, that's a very, very interesting question, and I would say this is something which is very close to my heart, because LGF Sysmac and International Glazing Technologies, our company, they are like sister companies in a way. One, because we started our journey almost together in the same year, and the other important fact is that LGF Sysmac has been an integral part of IGT's growth, IGT's journey. I'm rather emotional about this, because Deepak and Ashim and LGF have always treated IGT like their own sister company in terms of the support that they have provided, in terms of the way they have treated us. I'm extremely grateful to them for that.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us, sir. I would like to know now that how our brand LGF Sysmac is different from other service providers in the industry.
Well, to begin with, I would say LGF as a company is the pioneer in the global trends in hardware. The others are only following LGF. So that's where the difference lies. The best trends, the best products, the best hardwares that are brought to the Indian fenestration industry are by LGF only for others to follow it.
Thank you for your answers, sir. Now we would like to know that what do you like most about our brand, LGF, Sysmac, and what is that one certain thing that you're sure that we deliver to our clients?
If you're looking for a one-word answer, commitment.